Hi everybody, I thought it was about time for a bit of a workshop update or vlog or whatever you want to call it. I've been getting a few comments on a few of my videos about what's the deal with pallet wood and reclaimed wood with Brits, mainly from the US, I'm assuming. So I was thinking about it and I couldn't really figure out, why do we use pallet wood and reclaimed wood, etc. more than the US. The only thing I can come with is the price. So I've been to my local DIY store, and the first 8x4 sheet I come up against was 18mm chipboard, which was £23, which is around $29. The next 8x4 sheet was 3/4 ply, hardwood veneered, not a quality hardwood veneer, you still get voids in it, was £34, which is around $44. Then the last of the 8x4 sheets is constructional plywood, which is £33, which is around $42. Of course, the dollars are only the conversion rate on my phone, if that's right. As for other timbers, we don't get an awful lot of variety in the UK. You can have pine, pine or pine, but you can also have a bit of treated timber. So here we've got a bit of treated timber. It's 6 foot lengths by 1.5 by 2 inch, which is £4.80, which is around the $6 mark. I've also been to another local DIY store, to me a smaller one. He does some quality beech 3/4 ply 8x4 sheets that run at about £65 each, which is around $85–86 ish, if my phone's right. If these are the sort of prices you're paying over there, obviously it just means that us in the UK are a bit more cheapskates. Or is it expensive? That's what I'm trying to find out. Is our wood a lot more expensive than the US? I've also got a poorly family member. She hasn't been feeling right for a few weeks, so I think it's time now to, be kind and maybe look around for a new one. So the problem that we've got with her, from the front of the blade there to there, is 120mm. Now from the back of the blade here, we've got 125mm. So somehow the motor and the assembly underneath is twisted. I noticed it's been pinching wood for the past couple of weeks. So I'm going to strip it down and see if I can fix it. But so I've said to my missus, I need a new table saw because mine's not performing very well. And she said I've got to wait till Christmas.
So I said I want one now.
So if there's any companies out there that want to send me a table saw to try, email address is down there. Okay then, now onto some stickers. So I've had this one a few months. Dave from Dave G Designs. I met him at Makers Central. He's a cracking bloke. He's really hilarious. He's from that London, but we can't hold that against him. Him and WH Creations has just done a couple of weeks back, did a collaboration together with one of them Lithenberg machines. I think it's Lithenberg. We put electricity through wood and make pretty patterns. Our London's still there and them two are still alive, I don't know, but it was a hilarious video. Well worth checking out, go show you some love. I'll leave a link in the description. Then we've got 3 of these together. We've got Stephen from the 8x6 workshop, Paul from Paul Lockwood Wood Turning, and Paul, if you're watching, I will send you a sticker. I've got it's written on my computer, it will get there eventually. And Pam Harris from Island Boxes. Everything these 3 do is just excellent. I just live in awe most of the time, thinking I wish I could turn out something like that. It is brilliant stuff. I'd subscribe to all 3 of them. There's another one I've been watching as well. I ain't got a sticker for him. It's Richard, the Beard Time 16, and he's relatively new to YouTube. I binge watched him the other night, that's why I'm mentioning him. He did this walking stick like a candy twist twirl with a pool ball on top. I thought it was really nice, some painstaking effort went into that. So I'll leave a link in the description for him as well. And then there's Barney from Barney's Woodshop. No, don't lie, Barney's Workshop. He's a retired bloke, he's just using YouTube as a hobby. I think he's learning as he go, and I think he would love some support. Just go over, say hi. He's just that type of bloke. He's more into the community than the making, I think. But he's a cracking bloke. Could love a bit of support. So I'll leave a link in the description for him as well. Right, as for the stickers, I've still got a pile like that to go through. So if I haven't read you out this time, we'll do it over the next couple of vlogs to save doing it all in one. I'm not sticking these stickers on the wall of fantasticness just yet, because this is going to have to come down. Behind this board is a window. I'm going to put a little extension behind here to put a dust extractor in, because I'm hoping to get it all piped up in the next few weeks. Ideally I could do with a new table saw before I pipe it all up, so I know, where to pipe things up, if anybody's listening, if anyone wants to be kind. And before I forget, I'm now a member of the Makers Media Network. It's a fantastic site full of all different makers. Go and have a scroll through it and see what you can find. I can guarantee you there'll be some makers on there that you've never heard on. They were for me. Fantastic site, fantastic people. So I guess that's about it for now. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.